second part of the today's video. We have done this 15 upon 4 in the first video, and then after, because due to the storage problem, students, 15 upon 4, then after change it into a mixed fraction 3 whole 3 by 4. This one is your answer. 3 whole 3 4s are 4 3s are 12 and 3 15 by 4. Next after I'm going to solve this question number 6. So in this one, first we solve this bracket. So in this bracket, first we use that board mass, means OD mass, means that multiplication, division is there, off is there. First we solve off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and in last we are going to do that subtraction. But here division is not there, off is not there, multiplication. So first we solve this multiplication, because improper mixed fraction is not there. So 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 4. So students, one more times, 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12 division 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancel out this one, and then after multiply this 1 into 1, 1 by 1, and 3 2s are 6. 1 by 6 minus 1 upon 12 division 1 by 2. So dear students, here is 1 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 12. So take this LCM of 6 and 12. LCM of 6 and 12. You know that how to find the LCM of 6 and 12? By using a prime factorization method. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 3, and then again by 3, 1 and 1. So the LCM of 6 and 12, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So your LCM is 12. So solve this one. The equivalent denominator, you will get it your LCM 12. By 6 you will divide this 12, you will get it 2, and 2 is multiplied into 1, you get this 2 minus, and by 12 you divide this 12, you get it 1, and 1 is multiplied into 1, you get it 1. Division 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1, you get it 1. 1 upon 12 division 1 by 2. Then 1 upon 12 division change into multiplication, then this second fraction change into its reciprocal, 2 upon 1. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. So what you will get it? 1 upon 6. That is your answer for this case. Hello students, one more question I want to solve in this question number 3rd, 8-1. It is the same as it is like a 6-1, 7th you can do yourself, and 8-1 I'm going to solve this one. So listen, 2 by 3 multiplication 1, and then solve this bracket. Then we are going to solve this bracket. Take the LCM of 4 and 12. 4 and 12. Taking the LCM of 4 and 12. Very easy. Start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. Then again 1 3. Then 3 1 1. So what is the LCM of this 12 and 4 and 12? That one is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. You get that LCM 12. Students, so it is very easy. So your equivalent denominator, you will get it 12. By 4 you divide this equivalent denominator, you will get it 3, and 3 is multiplied into 1, 3 minus 12 is divided 12, you get it 1, 1 is multiplied into 1, again you will get it 1, division 1 by 2. Then 2 by 3 divide multiplication, 3 minus 1, you will get it 2 upon 12 division 1 by 2. So according to the board mass, first we solve this division. So 2 by 3 multiply 2 upon 12, division change into multiplication, and this comes to 2 upon 1. So by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and then you will get it 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 6. Okay students, if anything is cancelled out, you will cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and then you will get it, nothing is cancelled out after that. 2 1s are 2 and 3 3s are 9. You will get it 2 upon 9. That is one is your answer students. 2 upon 9. Okay students. So in this next one is a question number 4. Simplify this one. This is the numerator and this one is the denominator. This is upon sign. So it is very easy, students. Change this one mixed fraction into improper and this mixed fraction into a improper. It is a numerator. You don't consider as a fraction. It is a numerator and this fraction is as a denominator. So 3 2s are 6 1 7 by 2 upon 5 7s are 35 1 36 upon 7. So students, listen, if it is A upon B upon C upon D, very easy. This is a numerator and this one is a denominator. So it is very easy. If you A upon B, you will write like that, division. This upon change it into a division sign and then C upon D. Okay students, and then it is easy to do that. Understand or not? First fraction, first one you will write it like that, 7 by 2 and this upon change into a division. This upon change into a division and write the second fraction, 30. Write this denominator. Numerator divide by denominator. Same as it is, I have written this numerator 7 upon 2 and denominator 36 upon 7 and this upon change it into a division sign. Okay, and then after you know that 7 upon 2 division change into multiplication, 7 goes to upside, 36 comes to down side. I think nothing is going to be cancelled out. Multiply this one, 7 7s are 49 and 36 2s are 72. 49 upon 72 is your answer. Fourth is first one. Fourth first. And second one is also same as it is. First you change it into a improper mixed fraction to improper, add, and then after you can perform this activity. Now I'm going to do this question number 3. Question number 3, students. It is the same as it is like a second. So I'm going to do this third one. Second, you will write in your home. 4 whole 1 upon 6 minus 2 whole 1 upon 3 divide by 7 whole 1 upon 8 plus 6 whole 3 by 4. 4 whole 1 upon 6 minus 2 whole 1 upon 3, 7 whole 1 upon 8 plus 6 whole 3 by 4. Students, this one is your question, students. So this change it into a improper. 6 2s are 6 4s are 24 1 25 by 6 minus 3 2s are 6 1 7 by 3 upon 7 8s are 40 7 8s are 56 1 57 by 8 plus 6 4s are 24 4 6 are 24 24 plus 3 27 upon 4. So here students, listen. First we solve this one outside, this one outside, and put the value here. Okay, so listen students, I'm going to erase this. First take this numerator, 25 upon 6 minus 7 upon 3. What is the LCM of 6 and 3? 6 and 3. The LCM of 6 and 3, you will get it 6. So take this equivalent denominator as your LCM. So by 6, if you divide 6, you will get 1. 1 is multiplied into 25, 25. Minus by 3, if you divide 6, you get it 2, and 2 7s are 14. So what you will get is, students, 1 and 2 minus 1, 1 upon 11 upon 6. So what is the total value of this 25 by 6 minus 7 upon 3? You will get it 11 upon 6. So in place of this, I'm going to write this one. And what is the value of this one? 57 denominator. I'm going to solve this denominator. 57 upon 8. 57 upon 8 plus 27 upon 4, students. So in this one, the LCM of 8 and 4, find that LCM of 8 and 4. It is very easy to 4, 2, 2, 1, then again 2, 1. So its LCM is 8, means that your common denominator is 8. So by 8, if you divide 8, you get it 57 plus By 4 if you divide 8, you will get it 2, and 2 27s are 7 4s are 12 14, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 1 5 54. Add this one, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 5 2 10 1 11, 111 upon 8. So in place of this one I'm going to write 111 upon 8, and in place of this I'm going to write it 11 upon 6. So here it is 11 upon 6 upon, in this place I'm going to write 111 upon 8, and then after it is very easy, numerator divide by denominator. This is the numerator and this one is a denominator. So 11 upon 6, division sign, 111 upon 8. So 11 upon 6, division change into multiplication, 8 goes to upside, 111. And if it is 8 and 6, 8 is in denominator and 6 is in numerator, so both are cancelled out by a same number, 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. What you will get it, students? And then after, I think 11 and 111 is not cancelled out by any same numbers, so multiply this one, 11 4s are 44 upon, this one is 333, 44 upon 333, students. That one is your answer for this case. Here, students, question number 6. After after question number 3rd, I'm going to solve this question number 6. 2nd, 4th, and 5th you will try it in your home. And then question number 6, change this mixed fraction into improper, and then after you can perform your operation like by using a concept board mass. 4 4s are 16, 1 17 by 4, 17 by 4 minus this bracket, square bracket, 1 by 2 plus curly bracket, 3 5s are 15, 1 16 by 5 minus this small bracket, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Close these brackets. So you know that, students, according to the board mass, first we solve this brackets. In bracket, first we solve this bar bracket. Bar bracket is not given there. Bar bracket is like that. Then after a small bracket, then curly bracket, and then after a square bracket are called big bracket. Okay. So in this one, first I'm going to solve this bracket. This small bracket is that. So taking the LCM of 5 and 6, you know that you will get it 30. 17 by 4, write as it is. 1 by 2 plus 16 by 5 minus the LCM of 5 and 6, you will get it 30. Okay, so that common denominator you will get it 30. So by 5 if you divide this 30, you get it 6, and 6 is multiplied into 1, 6 minus. By 6 if you divide this 30, you will get it 5, 5 is multiplied into 1, you get this 5. And then after 17 upon 4 minus square bracket, 1 by 2 plus curly bracket, 16 upon 5 minus 6 minus 5, 1 upon 30. So small bracket has finished. Then after curly bracket. In this curly bracket, taking the LCM of 5 and 30, LCM of 5 and 30, LCM of 5 and 30, very easy. If you are finding the LCM of 5 and 30, by 2, 5, 15, by 3, 5, 5, and then 5, 1 and 1. So LCM of this one is 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So LCM you will get it 30. So solve this one. 17 by 4 plus minus this is square bracket, 1 by 2 plus curly bracket, this is a 30. 5 divide this 30, 6, and 6 is multiplied into 16, 96 minus 30 divide 30, 1 is multiplied into 1, you get the same value 1. Then 17 upon 4 minus square bracket, 1 by 2 plus subtract this one, you get it 95 upon 30. Close this one, square bracket. So curly bracket also has removed. Then after, I'm going to do this next step. Then taking the LCM of 2 and 30. LCM of 2 and 30. Again you will get this 30. So 17 upon 4 after that. 17 upon 4 from this. The next step is here. 17 upon 4 minus square bracket. It's a common LCM is 30. 2 and 30 LCM. You will always get that 30. So by 2 if you divide this 30 you get it 15 and 15 is multiplied into 1. You get it 15 there and plus 95. Okay students. So next after 17 upon 4 minus, add this one, 5 5s are 10, 9 1s 10, 1 11. So 110 upon 30. Take the LCM of 4 and 30 again. LCM of 4 and 30, you will get this 30. Take this LCM if you want, you can check this one 4 and 30 by 2, 2, 15, 2, 1 and 15, then 3, 1 and 5, then 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, sorry students, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Your LCM is 60 for this case. Your LCM is 60 for this case. If you want to cancel, then you will get it, okay, 60. So in this case your LCM is LCM for 4 and 30. If you are finding it, then you will get it 60. Okay students, and then 4 by 4 if you divide this 60 you will get it, you get it 15, 15 4s are 60 and 15 is multiplied into 17, $225. Check this one multiplication. 17 is multiplied into 5. $255 minus by 30 if you divide this 60 you get it 2 and 2 is multiplied into this one and so 220. Subtract this one you get it 5, 10 minus 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 2 3, okay, 3 upon 35 upon 60, and if it is cancelled out by any same number you will cancel out this one. It is cancelled out by 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. You get it 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12, that one is your answer. 7 upon 12. Both are cancelled out by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 12s are 60. So 7 upon 12 is that your answer. So listen students, first we change it into a improper and then after solve this small bracket and then after curly bracket and then after curly bracket you will solve this square bracket and then after solve the remaining operations. So your answer is 7 upon 12 for this case. This one is the last question of today's. Okay, so in this one students, see this curly bracket is given and small bracket is given and then bar bracket. So before solving this bar bracket, first change it into a improper mixed fraction, change it into a improper. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 23 upon 3 plus curly bracket 5 2s are 10, 1 11 by 5 minus then it's a small bracket 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5 curly bracket close. This one has given a bar bracket. So first we solve this bar bracket. First I'm going to solve this bar bracket students. So in this bar bracket 3 upon 4, very easy students, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Taking the LCM of 4 and 5, you get it 20. 4, divide this 20. Here we are going to solve this one students. 23 upon 3 plus 11 upon 5 minus a small bracket 2 by 3. Solve this one. So if we are solving this one, we get this LCM as a 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 is multiplied into 3, 15 minus 5 fours are 20. 4 is multiplied into 1, you get this one. This is given a bar bracket on that, so we are going to solve this one. So by solving we get this 23 upon 3 plus 11 upon 5 minus 2 by 3 multiplication 11 upon 20, and then after we are going to do this multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Then after 23 upon 3 plus 11 upon 5 students minus 1 11 is multiplied into 1, 11, and 10 is multiplied into 3, you get it 30. Close this one, curly bracket. So after that we are going to solve this curly bracket. In this curly bracket students, take the LCM of 5 and 30. LCM of 5 and 30. It's very easy. If you are taking the LCM of 5 and 30, you get this 30. Okay, if you want, you can check this one. 5 and 30 by 2, 5, 15 by 3, 5 and 5. So 30 is that LCM. Okay, students. Two upon 23 upon 3 plus, after that here is this one, this curly bracket. So common denominator, you get this 30. So by 5, if you divide this 30, you get it 5 6 are 30, and 6 is multiplied into 11, you get it 66. And 30 is divided into 30, you get it 1. 1 is multiplied into 11, you get this 11. So 23 upon 3 plus, solve this one, you get it 55 upon 30. 55 upon 30. And then the LCM of 3 and 30. LCM of 3 and 30. If you are finding that, you will get it 30. Check this one. 3 and 30. 2, 3, 15, then 3, 1, 5, then 5. So 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. So LCM you will get it 30. Then 30 is there. By 3, if you divide this 30, you get it 10, and 10 is multiplied into 23, you get it 230 plus. By 30, if you divide this 30, you get it 1, and 1 is multiplied into 55, you get this 55. Add this one, 5, 5, 3, 8, and 2, 285 upon 30. And if it is cancelled out by any numbers, I think it is cancelled out by 5, 5, 6 are 30, 5, 5 are 25, 3, 5, 7 are 35, 57 upon 6, and numerator is greater than denominator, change it into an improper. 9 4s are, sorry, change it into a mixed fraction. 9 4s are 54. Again, I think it is cancelled out by 3, I think. 3. 3 1s are 3, 2, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6. So you get it 19 by 2, change it into a mixed fraction. 9 whole 1 upon 2. 9 whole 1 upon 2. 9 whole 1 upon 2. So listen students, bar bracket, first we solve this bar bracket. Whatever the operation is given, first solve this bar bracket, then after you will solve the next step. So by doing this one, we get this answer 9 whole 1 by 2. 9 to the 18 one, 19 by 2. That is the solution of this question, and some one or two remaining questions are there. So solve it, students, properly in your home. If any doubts, you can ask your question through that campus care, and then I will provide you that remaining solution of that one. And please make your fair copy, and if any type of problems, please students, you can ask through that your campus care app. Okay, thank you, students.